Hello aviation lovers, how are you all guys? My name is AASHISH Kumar Sahu and guys I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Aviation Live. So guys, this is a very detailed video of AKASA AIR as you saw in thumbnail. That in this video, it's a very detailed video about what to take, how to take, what should I choose when I am filling the assessment form of AKASA AIR. So guys, if you are new in my channel, please do press the bell notification icon, also press the subscribe button. Guys, one more thing what you have to do is that if you want to know how the interview is conducted, what the questions they are asking, and even a lot of questions you are having, so what you can do is that you can watch this playlist. In this playlist, my students of our academy, they have shared their interview experience, so you can go and you can watch their interview experience and learn from their video. Right now what you have to do is that you have to watch this playlist and you have to also watch this playlist named interview content. Right, so these are the two playlists which you have to watch: interview content and selected subscriber. Right, guys, after watching this thing, what you have to do is that you have to follow our Aviation Live page, and in this page you will get a detailed notification of every job. For example, there's a new job at Pantnagar base in Indigo Airlines, so we have made new job at Qatar Airways, so we have made each and everything. Guys, one more thing is that we run a online coaching, our Aviation Academy. Right, so our Aviation Academy, from our Aviation Academy, guys, we have 107 students selected, and they are working in the airlines industry. So guys, what you can do is that you can watch the videos of the students, you can learn from their experience. And guys, one more thing is that we make resume with 100% guaranteed shortlist. So if you want that Aviation Life will make your resume, what you have to do is that you have to join our crash course, because we make the resume of those students only who join our crash courses. And guys, our coaching is India's first online coaching with a lot of amazing results showing, and by an excellence employee. So guys, you can come down and you can watch the interview experience video. Guys, you can click in Aviation Live, you can watch their interview experience. Students working in airlines industry, right, a lot of students got selected as a ground staff, as a cabin crew, and as an engineer. Right, so you have to also download our app Aviation Live. This is our app Aviation Live. It's not updated, but within 1 week it will be updated, guys. So this is these are the few things. One more thing is that, guys, do also join our Telegram channel. It's clearly mentioned read more. If you click here in read more, our Telegram channel is there. Do also join the Telegram channel, link is also given. And if you join that thing, what will be happen is that you will be getting the latest content in a very fast way. Right, suppose example, if I'm making a video, the first thing where I will share is that I will be sharing that thing in the Telegram channel. So please do join the Telegram channel. If not, then do install the app and then do join, guys. One more thing is that let's now jump directly into the thing, that what is the assessment mail and what questions they are asking. So guys, here is one vacancy. Right, here is one AKASA AIR. We have landed into AKASA AIR page, and here you can read the detailed things. But that is jumping into assessment mail. Right, this is how the assessment mail look like. Right, hello dash dash dash. So मैंने मिटा दिया इसे, है ना. Kindly fill out the questionnaire linked with below. Because guys, ये जो वैकेंसी थी, ये थी सीनियर एक्जी, सिक्योरिटी एक्जी एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव के लिए, सिक्योरिटी एग्जीक्यूटिव. सो इट्स फॉर फ्रेशर्स. राइट, तो यहाँ पे क्लियरली मेंशन किया है कि असेसमेंट फॉर्म. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, वंस यू रिसीव द मेल, वंस योर सीवी विल गेट शॉर्टलिस्टेड, click on the assessment mail. So guys, as you click on the assessment mail, what will be happening is that you will be landing out into this page. Right, you will be landing in this page. Okay, so as you landing in this page, you will see a lot of good things. Right, options available here and there. So what options you have to choose, what questions they are asking, and what answer you have to click. So here the assessment start. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो है you have to click out your age. What's your exact age? If your age is below 18, then choose below 18. Right, if your age is 18, 23, 23, 27, 27. Guys, always choose the correct detail. Right, don't ever try to make them fool. Right, they will make you fool in an interview then. Right, by saying that we will call you later. So do choose the age, exact age of yours. Right, now this is the first question. Now guys, coming to second question, they are asking is that what is your highest education qualification. So if you are 12th pass, then guys choose 12th path. 12th pass. And if you are graduate, then choose graduate. If you have done BTech, BE and all, if you have done masters, MTech, MBA, then choose postgraduate. Right, this student has done class 12, so he has chosen class 12th. Right, this is the second question, guys. Okay, now coming to third question. What is the third mail? They have third question is there. Okay, third question is that do you have valid government ID. So if you have valid government ID, then choose yes, and if you don't have, then choose no, guys. Always choose the correct detail. Now guys, coming to the next thing is that are you ready to work in rotational shift? If yes, then choose yes. If no, then choose no. right? Total aviation, total experience in aviation industry. uh, Guys, do always write the correct detail while filling up the form. If you don't have an experience, choose 0 to 6 year. If you have experience of 6 to 12 years, then choose 6 to 12 years. 12 to 24 and above 36. So all the things are given here. So this student was not having an experience, right? He was fresher, so he chose 0 to 6. Suppose if there's some other chap who is having an experience of 6 to 12 years, so he can choose a 6 to 12 years. Now guys, coming to next thing is that here is clearly mentioned station preference. Guys, station preference means the place where you will be working, where you want to work. So it's clearly mentioned, if you want to work at Ahmedabad, then guys choose Ahmedabad. And if you want to work at Amritsar, choose Amritsar. So choose according to your priority. If your priority is Ahmedabad, choose Ahmedabad. If your priority is Amritsar, do choose Amritsar. So guys, these are the few things. Okay, now guys, coming to next, coming to before coming to next topic, I want to share one thing is that guys, we also run an online coaching. If you want an online coaching, you can join our Aviation Life Academy, where I will be giving coaching to you all. We run crash courses for 15 days, and with this thing, a lot of students have got result and they are working in the airlines industry, right? Guys, second thing is that all the brochure is given here, and if you send a WhatsApp message, we'll be sharing with you all. Once confirmed to join, guys, do let us know. This is the way we used to teach students. And if it comes to results, we are giving a lot of courses. We are giving ground staff crash course, which is the most popular course. Cabin crew crash course, also most popular course. One personal coaching classes. So guys, if you want one-on-one personal coaching, where I and you will be secretly learning a lot of great things, and I will be giving personal guidance, personal coaching, giving 1 hour time daily. And one more thing is that we will be giving guaranteed 100% selection. So if you're interested, this is the most popular course. You can also join this thing. Then guys, spoken English also there, and one-on-one mock interview. So each and everything is there. These are the courses which we run. And if you're interested to join, then what you can do is that you can send a hi message in my WhatsApp number, and my WhatsApp number is, guys, 7999508444. So this is my WhatsApp number. So guys, this is what you have to do. Okay, now admissions has started for 1 February crash course. So if anyone is interested to take admission in 1 February crash course, and guys, discount is going on for 15 February crash course. So if you take admission before 10th Feb night 12 p.m., right? If you take admission between 12 Feb night 12 p.m., you will get a discount of 300 rupees, right? So 300 rupees discount you will be getting if you join before 10 Feb night 12 p.m., right? After that, guys, there will be no discount. Discount period is very much limited, so you will get 300 rupees discount in 3000 rupees crash course. Okay, now coming to next question. What they are asking, next question is that, okay, next question, Vistara, okay, AKASA AIR assessment form. Okay, so these are the preferences. Okay, next question is that station preference is given. Okay, have you cleared basic AFSEC? So guys, if you have cleared basic AFSEC, basic AFSEC means aviation security certificate, right? Aviation security, if you have cleared, then guys choose yes. If you have not cleared, then choose no. If you are certified screener, then choose yes. If you are not certified screener, choose no. Guys, never ever submit the wrong detail. Always submit the correct detail, so that it will be easy for the judgment, it will be easy for the airlines to take decision. So guys, this was all about the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also do follow our page Aviation Life, and do also download our app Aviation Life. And one more thing is that don't forget to join our Telegram channel, and do watch the videos of selected students from our coaching, successful students from our coaching, and do also watch the interview content. Guys, this is a very elite content which I'm sharing free of cost, right? So do watch this thing and do get a knowledge, do get idea, and guys, crack the airlines interview. So guys, this was all about the video about the assessment mail, how to fill the assessment form. Do subscribe, and every day at night 9 to 10 p.m. I used to come live. So guys, this was all about the video. Tab tak guys, bye bye, take care, namaskar, and jai hind to all. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye everyone. Let's meet at some other video.